So, what took place 2 days ago on the 14th with the Ring of Fire solar eclipse, which I witnessed without any protection, I watched with bare eyes for quite some time, much to the consternation of my assistant, who was maintaining that I was going to suffer retinal damage and whatnot. But anyway, I can testify with utmost veracity that right when the totality of and it came right over Texas, right, and directly over the San Antonio or Austin, San Antonio corridor from the West Coast, we witnessed 100% of its totality. I watched with my bare eyes as the moon engulfed or created the ring of fire, however you want to describe it. However, and that's not a very scientific explanation, but I'm going to tell you with utmost veracity that I experienced a sensation of vertigo, dizziness, but that energy I felt it directly impacted me, directly impacted my assistant, directly impacted. I watched Beltor, the Wonder Wolf, not be so wonderful with a little clumsiness, but the feeling was direct as that totality came directly over here in Austin. So, but I'm going to explain to you what this means as far as the energy shifting for this planet. And it is momentous. And this is what is taking place. These are the frequencies, all the frequencies that shifted after entering the void, because we entered a void, a plasma void. And what happened was, as the moon came between the earth and the sun, a cosmic ray flux was created and enhanced, meaning that under normal circumstances, with the configurations of the sun, and how it interacts with the magnetosphere of the planet Earth, the majority of the cosmic rays are shielded, or not. They don't have as much impact, or they're not allowed to come into through the magnetosphere because of the interaction with the solar activity. However, with the moon, and also with the fact that this being a new moon, the opportunity for much greater cosmic ray flux took place. And so essentially the absorption of solar wind by the moon creates an umbral and penumbral shadow, aka a plasma void. Cosmic ray flux, all the frequencies shifted after entering the void. Now, what that means is, how I'm interpreting that is, with the cosmic ray flux, an inundation of way we have never experienced it in my lifetime, in our lifetime, this type of mass cosmic ray inundation, this energy of the cosmos that comes in. And what happens is it reorients everything. So those entities that are part of the control structure, the organized religion, all of the third dimension, harmonic universe, number one, those energies of separation, of ego illusion, of separation, the plug has been pulled, so to speak. We are now in the plasma void. The cosmic ray flux is empowering all those of cosmic consciousness, of cosmic Christ consciousness. Do you understand what this means? This means that we are now in the new earth energies. All that is of the old paradigm, the old earth, harmonic universe number one, those control mechanisms that involve government, organized religion, all those things that seek to separate and enslave man's consciousness, the plug has been pulled. And now the time of Aquarius, the golden age, is here, because the cosmic ray flux is immense. It is incredibly immense. And you will begin to understand, all of this gnosis will come to you. I mean, have you ever wondered, where do you come from? How many times have you thought about your existence? Have you found a satisfactory explanation to your inquiries? Now, throughout the ages, philosophers, scientists, scholars, and religious teachers, and even people who drink cider, have tried to give satisfactory answers to the questions of existence. But now, in this age of Aquarius, we will know this. We are past the age of belief, but we are now in the age of knowing. For centuries, pilgrims have traveled thousands of miles over treacherous snow-covered mountains, for an audience with a sacred Lama in hopes of learning the secrets of life. Others have searched for meaning in the galaxies or in the laboratory, in the universal laboratory even. Today, many of us seek such answers in churches, in synagogues, in mosques, relying on our priests, our ministers, and rabbis to supply such revelations. But no more. Because now, I believe, it is my contention, is the message of the Aumbonda New Earth Ashram, compassion and strength and cosmic influx energies of the cosmic Christ consciousness. I believe that within each of us lie the answers. In that invisible, undefined part called the soul. The soul is our spiritual core, the divine spark within us that was, is, and always will be. It has traveled the width and breadth of the universe through all the eons of time, recording within it the lessons of a never-ending existence. It is the very essence, the very quintessence of who we are. And now, in the dawn of the age of Aquarius, of the golden age with a cosmic Christ consciousness influx of energies, now is our time to rise as metahumans. Namaste, namaskaram.